Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your server in Apex Legends on the Nintendo Switch. And yes, this method is still working in 2025. Let's jump right into it. First, launch Apex Legends on your Nintendo Switch and wait for the main menu to fully load. Once you are in the title screen, press R button on your controller. This will open up the data center. Here you'll see a list of available servers along with their ping and packet loss information. Now, choose a server with the lowest ping for the best gaming experience. Lower ping usually means less lag and smoother gameplay. If the server does not update right away, restart the game to make sure the changes take effect. And that's it. You have successfully changed your server in Apex Legends on Nintendo Switch. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.